Hey everybody, Dan here with Thin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at a Springfield Armory SA-35. It's a copy of the Browning High Power. This is a Lipsey's exclusive. It's on the Springfield site and the Finn has it. It offers quite a bit, a little Gucci'd up in a way, but this handgun performs incredibly well. I have a lot of range time with not just the original, but the original SA-35, and it's pretty amazing, so let's do it. The SA-35 is a great handgun. There's no doubt about that. I love shooting this thing. Now, I have the original Browning High Power. This is a Mark III. Many people, years back, said this was one of the best shooting and most accurate 9mm handguns out there. But that's not to say it didn't have some setbacks, and let me go through some of those. First, it has a magazine disconnect. So without the magazine inserted, trigger will not function at all. And the original Browning High Power, also known as the P-35, had 13 round mags, and that's where it got its name, High Power. That was a lot of capacity back then. And then another thing is the trigger. The trigger action, it is single action, but it's really heavy. That's another thing that this, I don't want to say lacks because it had such a good reputation, but Springfield corrected all these. It has a spurred hammer, and a lot of people, I never did, but a lot of people claim they got hammer bite because, well, that hammer would come down. You can see it's touching my hand right there. So they said they got hammer bite, but it was all corrected. It was all corrected by Springfield, and so we're going to talk about that. There's that heavy single action trigger. So Springfield came out with the SA-35. They have since made a 4-inch barrel model. They made a glossy blued finish. And now they have this Lipsey's exclusive. This is called Coyote Tan. And these are VZ G10 grips. They're beautiful. And the MSRP is only 60 bucks more. So the MSRP is $859. The original SA-35 is $7.99. So it depends if this is what you like. I will say that Cerakote goes a long way. It really does, because, well, all you have to do is look at the Hellcat Pro in Flat Dark Earth and you can't find it. But let's talk about this. Has 15 round mags. Springfield gives you one. Okay, you can get Mechgar mags that work just fine specifically for this. They are interchangeable, by the way. Once again, the grips are super nice. Steel frame. It's a heavy handgun, but Springfield put a ring hammer on there, and that ring hammer prevents hammer bite. See that? There's a lot of distance there. Also, the trigger weight is much better. It's not as heavy at all. It's got a nice trigger pull, and I really like this thing. Now, if you look at the sights, it has serrated black and a front dot. If you look at the High Power original, it has those vertical lines. Kind of cool. I never had a problem with the sights, but it also does not have a magazine disconnect. It's got a great trigger, no magazine disconnect. So Springfield made the adjustments. Now, I have compared these internally, and Springfield is the closest that I have seen to the original SA-35, well, shall I say P-35, okay, otherwise known as the High Power, made by Browning. And they did a great job, and they kept the price down compared to many of the competition P-35 copiers, I should say. But it's super nice. Now, it does have a single-sided thumb safety. Just sweep down right there and you're good to go. Single action only. Beautiful looking handgun. Great shooting handgun. That part I will tell you. With the SA-35 I have, the original, it had like a parkerized finish, and they kept expanding the line, and now they have this Lipsey's exclusive. So nice. Now I mentioned the MSRP is $8.59, much less at the fin. So what does it come with? Well, we can take a look here. Typical Springfield cardboard box with a carry pouch. All right, really not much to show in there. And here you just have the lock and then the user's manual right there. So that's what you get in the case. You're not going to get a lot of accessories. Like I said, aftermarket and Springfield SA-35 mags are available, but it's a great handgun, a great shooting handgun. Some of my shooting footage here, you'll see it's one-handed shooting. That's a bit of a skill. I had to take some time to learn that, but these grips feel great. They're rather aggressive VZ grips. You look at the Mark III, they're basically plastic. So Springfield did a phenomenal job coming up with a whole line of SA-35s. This is the most beautiful, I would say. Some people like the glossy blued, but this is super nice. And, you know, I wouldn't mind having this myself because I really like the way this handgun fires. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.